amid the Russia-Ukraine war. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Ukraine for the very first time since the war began in February 2022. And it's also the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister since bilateral relations began over 30 years ago. However, before visiting Ukraine's capital Kiev on the 23rd of August, the Prime Minister will visit Poland in Central Europe on the 21st and 22nd of August. This holds its own significance as it's the first trip by an Indian Prime Minister to the country in the last 45 years. But about the Ukraine visit, India, remember, has continuously stated
His Excellency Volodymyr Zelensky. This also is a landmark and historic visit, since this will be the first time that an Indian Prime Minister will be visiting Ukraine in more than 30 years since the diplomatic relations were established between our countries. The visit will build upon the recent high-level interaction between the two leaders.
So that was, of course, about the Poland visit. But about the Ukraine visit, remember, India has continuously stated that dialogue and diplomacy are the needs of the hour. The Prime Minister saying that this is not the era of war during the SCO summit back in September 2022. This was a statement made to Russia's President Vladimir Putin. And just over a month ago in July, the Prime Minister had visited Moscow and met with Vladimir Putin in an effort to boost bilateral ties. But this visit coincided with a strike on a hospital in Ukraine's capital, Kiev, prompting Prime Minister Modi to rebuke Putin over the death of innocent children, calling it painful and terrifying. He had also said that Moscow and Kiev should resolve their conflict through dialogue and diplomacy.
वो बच्चे को बहुत प्यार करता है और वो बहुत काइंड है, लविंग है.
काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट है नरेंद्र मोदी जी के जो आने वाले हैं, क्योंकि 40 साल में यहाँ पोलैंड में कोई भी प्रेसिडेंट या प्राइम मिनिस्टर आया नहीं है पिछले 40 साल से. तो हम एक्साइटेड है कि इंडिया और पोलैंड के रिलेशंस और भी बेटर होंगे.
इट्स एन एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी मोमेंट फॉर अस, क्योंकि हम भी चाहते हैं कि एटलीस्ट पोलैंड हाईलाइट हो. पोलैंड के और इंडिया के रिलेशंस इंप्रूव होंगे उनके आने से. सो इट्स अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग मोमेंट फॉर अस एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेटिंग फॉर टू सी एंड हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू फील हिज एनर्जी.
इस तरीके का एक्साइटमेंट मैंने इंडियन डायस्पोरा में पहले तो पोलैंड में तक तो नहीं देखा. तो बहुत सारी तैयारियां हो रही हैं. स्टूडेंट्स कुछ स्वागत कर रहे हैं, सब उत्सुक है, सब ये जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या वो कम्युनिटी को एड्रेस करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. एक सेंस ऑफ मिस्ट्री है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है, हम बहुत खुश हैं.